Hi, I'm Ben from Second Dynasty. For the last few years, it has been awesome to bring classic Traveller and T5 designs to fans with 3D printers. Although it always bothered me just a little bit that we couldn't design for the version of Traveller that we actually play here at the office. But in 2024, nothing is off limits. We are thrilled to present an officially licensed tie-in to the 5th Frontier War. Fight as the invading forces of the Zidani, or defend the 3rd Imperium as Imperial Marines, or just play as Travellers caught in the crossfire. No 3D printer? No problem. We have once again partnered with John Games to make a limited print run of our 5th Frontier War designs exclusive to this campaign. We need your help to make this project happen. And the more people that get involved, the more miniatures, tanks, and vehicles we can unlock. Back today, with your support, we'll be able to bring Traveller content to your tabletop for many years to come.